stained by tetracycline when I was a child. We went to your office and I guess actually seeing pictures of it, it was pretty hard to accept, even though I knew that's what it looked like. It was really hard to see those pictures. It was just a feeling, a difference that I'd never had before. Everybody seemed to care. It wasn't, we want to get you in, get your money, and then when you have another problem, come see me. I came to a dentist that insisted that I wasn't going to be frightened or hurt or scared. It was more than I ever imagined. I could not have. It was a mouth that I had never seen before. One more than what I could ever had hoped for. I thought the only way, I had decided the only way I'd ever have a mouth with teeth like this again would be when I got my floss teeth. Because that's what I thought was the only way I'd ever have teeth like other people. So I got to go to a wedding and I got to smile, and I actually had pictures made. Instead of hiding or not smiling, when they went to take pictures and they said smile, I actually did. It was the first time that someone had said smile, and I really did smile.